I call this block the floating Shoo Fly block because when you make the points for these triangles, they're going to float in the background, so you don't have any points to be lost in the seam allowance. And to do this, you need, for the background fabric, you need 4 squares at 4 inches, and you need 4 rectangles at 2.5 inches times 4 inches, and that's for the background. And for the accent fabric, you need 1 square that's 2.5 inches, and you need 4 squares that are 3 inches. And this is how the background will be pieced. These squares, we're going to use the stitch and flip method to put a little triangle in this corner. So on the back of the accent fabrics, you're going to draw a diagonal line on the back side. Then we're going to place this on right sides together on the background, and we're going to stitch just, if you have it this way and you're stitching down this line, if you would go just to the right side of the line, just very right up against the line to the right hand side. Now this close up, unfortunately this is as close as I can get, but if you can see, I've got my stitching just to the right side of that line. And this area here, the outside corner, we're going to cut off. And you can use scissors, or you can use your rotary cutter, and you're going to cut off this little right corner. And then you're going to flip it up like this and press it just like this. Because you stitched just to the right side of that line, you have a nice even edge on these 2 sides, and that's what you want. So do that with all 4 of your background squares and your accent squares. Once you've stitched and flipped and pressed all 4 of your corners, you're going to put them together like this, and you're stitch together the rows, the 3 rows, and then stitch the rows to each other. And then your block is finished.